In my life, many people have come and gone, especially when I've moved from place to place, but 3 people have stayed with me. Melinda, you've done a lot for me, from yelling about ridiculous things to smiling and watching Dory and Finding Nemo, and doing random projects that put laughter in my life. You are one of those people who can give me that happiness, even if it does mean that I have to go up a freaking hill where I almost lost my shoe, or even making me deal with some rooster that wanted to attack me. Katrina, you are so crazy. You and your amazing ways of just staring at me or saying random things just to make me smile, or even the opposite, of making me realize that yeah, I might be wrong, and yeah, that probably wasn't the best thing to do, but oh well, it happened anyways. From making posters with hidden messages, to watching YouTube videos about silly things, or even blaring Besos Mojados, or just falling asleep on the carpet without changing, like always. It's all what best friends are for, and my life really does need someone crazy and whoa awesome to lean on, right? Because El Mexi y Mixi are here to wreck your life. And finally, Dennis. There's just way too much to say about you and how you make me feel and what you give me as my most amazing and incredible boyfriend. You make me smile and go crazy over things, make me yell and scream and go all blah, but you also give me and make me think of hope. The hope for someone to just be there, to lend your necklace to give hugs to dance with, to take MySpace pics, then some more, and more, and more, till it's just way too much, and you're all like, oh my god. To just be there for me when everything's going crazy. You give me the hope that it is possible to fall for someone, to get in arguments or whatever nonsense, but still be able to stay together, and for that, I want to thank you. Y te quiero con todo mi alma. Amor en sí, Ami.